Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have created this blue smoky eye inspired in Kim Kardashian West. As you all know, she brought out a new line with Makeup by Mario and they did a beautiful blue smoky eye, and this is what I'm recreating today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get started. For my foundation today, I'm using Too Faced Born This Way. As you all know, this is my favorite, and I'm using a different tool to apply it today. I'm using this brush by Real Techniques. I don't remember the name, but I'll leave it in the description box down below. I really like it. It spreads the product evenly and it doesn't leave any like streaks. You know that brushes usually do that, and this one's quite nice to use, and I feel like it doesn't soak up the product. It actually distributes it really nicely. For my concealer, I'm using this one by Artistry and my shade is medium, and I'm applying it in a triangular form under my eyes, on the bridge of the nose, the forehead and the chin, and this is to evenly distribute the colors around the face, and it also helps with highlighting. As you can tell, it's quite light. Like, I feel like it should always be 1 or 2 shades lighter so that it highlights and enhances your features. To set the concealer, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and this one's one of my favorites because it doesn't crease throughout the day. For my eyebrows today, I'm going to be using the Tame Frame Pomade by NYX, and my shade is Espresso, and I'm just filling in my eyebrows. I love this pomade because it's quite thick, and as it dries out it gets better, because I feel like the color payoff is so much better when it's drying out. And if it's too dry, you can just apply a bit of Fix Plus or any setting spray that you have, and it becomes softer and easier to use. I'm going to be using this Anastasia palette for my eyes today, and I'm using this metallic blue color, and I'm using Fix Plus on the brush so that the color is more intense, and it's also good because we won't have as much fallout. As you know, metallic eyeshadows can be a bit of a mess. So I'm just applying that with a flat brush, and then I'm going in with this orangey color in the crease, and this is to blend out both colors so that we don't have any harsh lines. And I'm also blending down and upwards so we have a bit of blue in the crease as well, because we want to transition from the blue to the nice orangey color, but we also want to have some blue in the crease. So just make sure you blend down and upwards and outwards as well, because you want to elongate the eye and make the look really nice and smoky. Don't worry if your blue is fading out a little, we will be applying some more later on. Now I'm going over the blue to make it a bit more intense, and I've applied some Fix Plus to make it stick to my eyelid. Now I'm blending a bit more. Blend your life away, sister. You need this look to be as smoky as possible. I'm trying to get the blue to that nice transition where it goes to that nice orangey color on the top, but we still have a lot of blue that we can see through when we put our lashes on. And I'm just doing the same thing I did on top on my bottom lashes, making sure that everything is nice and smoky. Now I'm applying some mascara on my bottom lashes, and this is my favorite mascara to use, and I'll leave the name and the color down in the description box because I never forget it. Yeah, that's what I do best, sister. I forget everything. To contour today, I'm using the Hourglass Ambient Light in Light Medium, and as you can see, I'm going over the perimeters of my face. So I'm just warming up my complexion because we have such a strong smoky eye going on. We want to make sure that the colors in our face are proportioned and that we look nice and colorful, if you know what I mean. And now I'm just using Champagne Pop by Becca Cosmetics, and I'm just applying it on the highest points of my face, so where the sun hits us more, there you want to be shining like a disco ball. So I'm just applying as much as I can because we want to make this look nice and shiny. I always want to look shiny. And I'm making sure my nose is nice and highlighted, and I'm also putting that highlighter in the inner corner to make the look stand out and to open up my eyes because I have quite small eyes. For my lips, I'm using this NYX lip liner, and this one is in the color Nude, I think. I'm not sure. I'll leave that in the description box. And I'm just filling out my lips with this. And I just love this shade because it's quite similar to my lip color, and I feel like I could wear it all day and nobody knows if I have lip liner or not. So it's quite nice and moisturizing. And for my lipsticks today, I'm using this Kylie Cosmetics lip kit, and I'm going quite light because I don't want to steal the attention away from the eyes since they're the statement of this makeup. I love the blue and I feel like the nude complements the blue really nicely. And this is the finished look, my loves. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that little bell so you get notified every time I make a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget I'll leave all the details down in the description box as well as my social media links. So if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and Facebook, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye!